Planning to discover Rimini, but don't want to haul your luggage everywhere? RadicalStorage provides a fast and reliable solution for storing your bags while you enjoy the city. In this video, I'll explain how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Rimini using RadicalStorage, a platform that partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes to offer secure, insured storage options. Be mindful of phishing websites when searching for RadicalStorage online. To ensure your safety, use the secure link in the video description to access the official RadicalStorage website. Once there, simply type Rimini in the search bar, and you'll find a list of available storage points across the city. Choose a location that suits your itinerary, whether it's near popular tourist spots, transportation hubs, or central Rimini. After selecting a drop-off and pickup time, proceed with the secure payment process. RadicalStorage guarantees the safety of your online transactions, so you can book confidently. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the storage point. Upon arrival, show your reference to the staff, and they will store your luggage securely. That's all. Now, you're free to explore Rimini without worrying about your belongings. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.